Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel Fashion Frenzy. I hope you will be fine and doing well and enjoy the best condition of life in your peaceful country. So I am back again with new beautiful content in this video. I will show you the best collection of high heel sandals 2025. So friends, wearing high heel sandals may cause excessive confidence means you might feel like a supermodel strutting your stuff, but let's be real, you might be going to the grocery store. Is a humorous way of saying yeah, you are likely not actual on a catwalk. Spontaneous dancing might break out means you might suddenly feel like a dancing anywhere, even in the grocery store. Irreversible fabulousness means you might get hooked on high heels and never want to wear flats again. But be careful, high heel sandals cause issues like stripping a pose on a wobbly chair, permanent damage to your toes. Recommends careful steps, prepared attitude, and sense of humor. So friends, keep watching this video and subscribe to my channel Fashion Frenzy for latest updates and notifications. Press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the new notifications.